Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Next. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Yay! The end. Yay! Good night. Okay, bye. Bye.